Hey guys, just about to fit this Kenwood DDX 4019 BT to the 2013 Nissan Patrol. They're pretty easy. I've got a little bit of a cheat. Got a wiring loom from the shop that basically just plug and play. Okay, so first things first, just take the outer shroud off. There's a couple of screws just under here. It's under them. Another one here, and basically just lift your shroud out. It should pop out. Like that. There's a couple of plugs here you'll have to take off. Okay, and then just basically 4 screws holding it in. Just pull the head unit out. There you go. So unplug it from the back. Unplug the aerial. And that's it. You're going to take the old brackets off the old one and put on the new one so it'll fit in. That's pretty easy, just unscrew the 4 bolt screws and they just fit straight on. Straight on there. Done that, then pretty much put your face straight into the console. Just about to put the deck back into the car. I've got cheated a bit. You can get a wiring loom from the shop. Easy, man. Just plugs into the back of your deck here, and then just feeds in back into your console. Like that, and screw it back in. Okay, there it is, all mounted, nice and beautiful. Now you just got to put the surround back on, plug your 3 plugs back in. Here it is, finished product. Looks neat and tidy.